My favorite benefit of investing long term is making money while I sleep. Alexa, turn off. Hello, welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I am your host, Ruth Agbeloso. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, share, and like this video. Oh, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know whenever I upload a new video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back and supporting this channel. Please go ahead and like, share, do all those wonderful things. On this channel, I discuss all things financial, so please come back over and over to hear what I have in store for you. I am a financial coach and financial consultant, and it's my job to help you get from point A to point B in your financial journey. So if you feel like you are in need of financial coaching or financial consulting services, please see my information in the description box and let's figure out whether we'd be a good fit to work together. In today's video, I'll be talking about some benefits of investing for the long term as opposed to putting your money in a savings account. So let's get right into it. So here's benefit number one, and they're not in any particular order. If you invest your money instead, you can expect to receive between 10% to 30% on your money. Now listen, that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed, because we know that the market is volatile, meaning it goes up and down. However, when you look at the history of the market, you can see that that's the average, mainly for large cap stocks. So much different than putting your money in a savings account, which you're really not getting much. Another benefit is that your money works for you in a much faster way than when you put your money in a savings account. Of course, because you're getting a higher rate of return than if you have put your money in a savings account. So the benefit of that is that you'll reach your financial goals much faster. So just think about it this way. If you've been saving up so that you can pay off a certain debt or be able to purchase a home or something like that, with your money growing at a faster rate of return, you'll be able to do whatever it is you need to do faster. When you invest your money, it allows you to stay ahead of inflation. Right now, you may have a $5 bill, but in the future, that $5 is not going to be worth as much as it is right now, because with inflation, the prices go higher and the money is not worth as much. When you're getting more of your money, more interest on your money, over time, you are ahead of inflation, because not only do you have $5, but then you have the percentage of inflation on top of it. When you invest your money, it gives you more flexibility and in turn gives you greater financial security. That's another benefit. Another benefit is that it can save you on taxes. Now listen, if you invest your money in any number of retirement investing accounts, you'll be able to receive some tax benefits. So whether you have your money in a tax deferred account or you have a tax, one that you have to pay tax ahead of time, either way, it's still a benefit. But of course, you'll have to figure out which one is better for your situation. If you put it in a tax deferred account, then you're paying the tax when you withdraw the money down the line, and you're likely to have a much lower tax rate, so you'll be paying less on taxes. If you have to pay your tax up front, then again, you're still not paying as much tax as you would when you're putting the money in. So your money is growing at a faster rate and you're not paying all those taxes on it. So hopefully that makes sense. I do have other videos and I will continue to post videos on these topics so that you'll understand a little bit more about this stuff. Let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful so far. Check out my ebook on Amazon. It's all about investing and the importance of investing right now, why you want to get in the game right now. It's a short read, but I think it will be worth it to help push you right over that edge and convince you that you can do this and you should do this. I hope you go ahead and check out that book. Also, as a beginning investor, Acorns is a really good way to go because you can invest your spare change with Acorns. The link is in my description. You can check out Acorns. Of course, I'm an affiliate, so when you purchase through them, when you sign up through them, I also get a percentage of it. So just to let you know that. So go ahead and check them out and see whether or not they'd be right for you. I really like it for beginning investors. I've been with them for a few years now, so I'm not just recommending something that just will pay me, but I'm recommending something that I've actually been using, and I think that it's a great thing. They have several different programs, so not just the using of your spare change, but there's other programs as well. So check them out and see what they have to offer. And like I said, the link is in my description box. Please use it and let me know what you think. If you've tried them and you like them, please go ahead and comment below. I also have other videos that give more details about Acorns investments. Thank you so much for watching and giving it a thumbs up and subscribing and all that wonderful stuff. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook.